The sunset once on a sea of grass, before the shadows learned to kill. I felt the warm hand slip to dust, beneath the hunger I couldn't fill.
Helpless eyes watched the sky turn red while the earth began to grow. I planted rage within my chest where the heart was carved from stone. I do this for the brother and the shield, for every person inside these walls must long heal. Even if the world around us falls, I'll become the monster that they fear. So watch the slate of history clear, history clear, history clear.
Do you see the salt across the blue? Is this the freedom that we sought? I saw the paths, I saw the end,
But look at all the lives we bought.
I just wanted them to be free. I wanted to see the ocean